I'm here with my aunt. She's going to show me around her garden.
These are native.
These are native, okay.
Native coffee plants.
Oh, a native coffee plant, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
And this is
This
muley
one.
grass. Yeah. This is my non-native section.
Non-native section.
The hummingbirds love these.
You happen to know what the name of this is?
No.
No? Okay.
This is Styryllis. It is not native.
This is Styryllis, okay.
This is the firebush.
Ooh, a firebrush.
This is native.
I bet you have butterflies going for this as well.
Right. I love that. This is the flaming azalea. It's pretty new and it's not really
Struggling there, huh?
established yet.
Mm.
Right. And these are native. They're oak leaved hydrangeas.
Hydrangeas, okay. Oak hydrangeas.
This kunti. This is all native.
Okay, these are all native plants.
Yeah, kunti. This is like a sage. Different sage plants.
Different sage plants.
This is all native. This is another native azalea.
Another native azalea. Okay. Looks like it's struggling too from guessing from the storm.
Yeah, from the storm.
Yeah.
But it will. So this is my native section.
Another native section, alright. We've got the mango tree way over here. Alright.
Pineapples growing.
Yep. And pineapples over here. Looking pretty good. I usually find and they do good around on trees. So if you get any more pineapples, you can put them around like the base of the trees over here. And they'll do pretty good.
This is a tea bush. This is a native plant.
The tea bush.
Look
Oh
at the
yeah,
bees.
I see.
They love this.
Yeah. And over here we have your
My roses.
roses that keep getting attacked by deer. That's the reason why I have this mesh up, huh?
Yeah.
And this is working to keep them out, right?
Yes, it does.
So what kind of mesh is this?
It's just deer fencing they
Just
call it.
they call it deer fencing, okay?
This is a magnolia.
A magnolia.
That's native.
That's another native. Alright, and got more deer mesh there. I guess they go after this thing too.
See, and
And
the
the
flower
roses.
came through and
And they ate it.
ate it, picked it off. So pretty soon they'll come and get these and they'll very neatly pick them off.
So they'll get this one here that's growing that's outside.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see.
Yeah, very nice. And what do we got here?
That is frangipani.
Frangipani?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Never heard of that one.
Yeah. It's the Hawaiian plant that they make leis out of.
Oh, so Hawaiian plant they make.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
This is another rose bush out here struggling. All of these,
And this is what you use for the mulcher.
I use two. I use this and Melaleuca.
Melaleuca. Okay.
That's the tree that was invasive in Florida, and they now use it for mulch.
Ah.
I'll show you. These are, smell this tree. Oh, look.
Ooh. It's very pretty. That's actually a moth.
Yeah.
Yeah, people tend to mistake these things for something aggressive and they're not.
Where is it?
It smells pretty good.
Yeah. Oops.
Yeah, it
like
does have a good
onion.
smell.
This is native also. It planted itself here because this
This-
is where it wanted to be.
Yeah, so this is a volunteer plant, huh?
Yeah. And it has red flowers on it in the springtime. It's very beautiful.
Ooh.
This is like a salt bush. It is also native.
The salt bush. Okay.
These are native.
And these bushes here are all native. Okay.
Apologize, I don't remember the name.
That's okay. Well, for any of you plant buffs, there's what the leaves look like. So if you can guess what this is, go for it.
This guava, if you want
We're coming down here to a guava tree. You know, with all these pines, you
These
can actually,
are red cedar.
yeah, with all these pines, you can actually use the needles as mulch.
Oh yeah, I do.
People think that they don't work for mulch, but they
No.
do.
But they have to be plants that like a cedar acid.
No, the acid becomes neutralized once the needles become brown.
See, this is gonna bloom one day. And that's-
It's about to bloom right there. Okay. We have a nice little artificial lake that they put in.
on.
Little pond. Lake, pond. Difference in size.
Drain and ditch.
And over here we have, they said knockout roses? They're knockout roses. Okay.
Bougainvillea. Doesn't
And
get bigger than
it's a miniature something. The azalea, we got the azaleas along here. These here are desert rose. What you doing with the stuff in the wheelbarrow here?
that. Oh, wood from our garden that we're gonna burn in the fireplace.
There's a firewood there, huh? Okay. Remember I said don't put the fire ashes in with your sweet potatoes. They like acid.
Okay. Oh, okay. I can do that. Christmas cactus coming into bloom.
Cactus. More cactus.
And the good side. This is an umbrella plant. Oh, they call it a money tree.
This one is an umbrella plant or money tree,
Yeah.
you said? Okay.
This is a miniature pineapple, and it actually produces tiny pineapples.
A miniature pineapple. Well, I had a regular, supposed to be a regular pineapple, but it produced a pineapple about the size of a baseball on me.
Yeah. And these are my orchids.
These are all your orchids. Very nice setup.
Thank you.
Guess that's the end of the tour here.
Wild grapes growing over there.
Oh, in the very backyard here, we got some wild grapes. Oh, that's very interesting. I wouldn't mind getting hold a few of those myself.
They spread all over.
Oh, you have to bring me some cuttings then.
Okay.
Well, thank you for the tour.